Alright, so this is a local fermented beer called Thumpa, and it's basically made out of fermented ragi. And this is a bamboo straw with holes at the side so it sucks it up. It's hot and mildly alcoholic, just how I like it. Alright, good morning. This is day 2. So last night we stayed at this place called TD, which is like 18 kilometers before Darjeeling. And this is run by a very nice couple, Utsav and Ashna.
Our host set up an Angeti over dinner last night, where we met fellow travelers Gurjot and Chetan with his family of 4. It felt like a family dinner away from home, with topics of conversation ranging from permaculture to solo travel. And so, with a full stomach and a bag full of good wishes, the TD family sent us off to our long journey ahead. On day 2, we were planning to reach Yuksom, a quiet town nestled at the foothills of Kanchenjunga range.
So it's 11 a.m. and we're heading towards Darjeeling, almost approaching Darjeeling, and right now we're stuck. Alright, so it's 11:45, so we will spend 45 minutes sitting in traffic. I think because it's the tourist season, there are a lot of vehicles parked here. So after an hour of basically trying to keep the bike upright in the traffic, we finally have some open road. We have already crossed Darjeeling, and where are we? We don't know if we're pronouncing it right, but it's partly a vast forest. Yeah, yeah, रास्ता ठीक है ना यार, मैं थोड़ा praying that this road gets a little better. Right now we are not covering a lot of distance. I'm still getting used to the bike. I'm finding it a little difficult to maneuver it around the corners, especially when there's loose gravel. So it's just first and second gear. One thing the bike is doing very well is absorbing all the bumps. The machine is good, I think the man needs some more. ऐसे मत कर, ये वाला मत कर, थोड़ा देखो इंडिकेशन दे दे ऐसे. So Yuksom is another 70 kilometers away, and we are not covering as much distance as we hoped that we would. The weather is hot. I frankly did not expect this, that it will be much colder. That's why we had come prepared with all the gear to keep ourselves warm. But in the afternoon, it's getting really hot right now. Alright, this is punishing. I can see a highway across the river. सर कितना दूर है ऐसा रोड ये? 10 मिनट. 10 मिनट और है, फिर ठीक हो जाएगा. पेलिंग का है ना रास्ता ये, ठीक है ना? पेलिंग तक जाएगा ना ये रोड? हाँ. बॉर्डर से उधर तो फाइन रास्ता है. चलो ठीक है, थैंक यू.
Traffic, bad roads, heat, humidity, and the fact that Sikkim leg of our journey had not even begun were making us anxious. These were probably the longest 10 minutes of the trip.
I think this is a dead end. Arti, it's a dead end. पीछे लेना आसान नहीं है सर इसको. क्या खराब रास्ता है पीछे.
एकदम खराब रास्ता है. ये आपका है?
हाँ जी,
ये मेरा है.
इनका है, ये मेरा.
ठीक है.
थैंक यू. So, in about 100 meters after crossing into Sikkim from West Bengal, this is what the road becomes. And God bless Sikkim. Finally we are in Sikkim for Sikkim. That side of the river is West Bengal. Now this good roads, I think at least I'll try to cover up some time.
There was no let-up for the bad roads. The joy of riding through clean patch of tarmac was quickly muddled by broken, dusty and slushy sections. Slowly, we inched our way to leg ship and took a much needed tea break and used this time to chart our route with the help of some locals.
So we have decided to go to Yuksom through Pelling and Gizing first and then Pelling. Apparently the road is good.
For the first time today, we met roads which would put a smile on any rider's face. It was time to test what this bike could do. It was time to shut up and ride.
Giving up, letting go, times we might feel compelled, looking down from the heights that we have built all by ourselves. And there is fear of the unknown, but we cannot lose control when we feel like the world is against us.
Just entered Pelling. and deal with some local taxi traffic as well. Thank you. Some people are kind enough to let us pass. Most of them actually. We've ascended quite a bit now to get to Pelling, and I think we'll start going down after we cross the town. We have to go down. Yuksom is another 30 odd kilometers from here. So that's probably another hour and a half. I don't know if you guys have heard about target fixation. I've had a few close calls on this ride. So there's a beautiful goal on the corner. Right. Now we have to keep climbing down for some time now till we arrive at a town called Darab. And one of the locals suggested us that do visit this small roadside resort or a cafe called Orange Garden, which is a little further up from Darab, the place called Rimbi. We'll see if we can find that place, and that's where we'll take our place. Rimbi is another 10 kilometers.
Someone has suggested this place called Orange Garden, so cafe that maybe you can refresh at. So we're here, and just to show you what it looks like. So this is where we are. Maggie, tea, riverside. What else could you ask?
Yuksom was another 21 kilometers away, but we knew the hard part was over. What was left was a leisurely ride through the lush green forest with sights to die for. In about 45 minutes, we were very close to the town. That's when it started drizzling. We were not complaining. After being covered in a layer of dust and slick, all three of us needed a sprinkler of water to recharge our batteries. Although it started slow, day 2 came to a very pleasant conclusion. All forgotten, all forgiven.